In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how does Opay target savings work. So I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to go about it, and I believe at the end of this video you will decide if you actually want to go with Opay target savings. So all you just need to do is just open your Opay app, then navigate to the finance section down below. So once you click on finance, you're gonna see all these features right there. So there are a lot of videos which of course we have made on this channel whereby we explain every features inside the finance page, from target, save box, fixed, spend and save, quick savings reports as well. So but then in this particular video we're going to be discussing about the target savings. So how does it work? So let's say we click on target saving, and you're gonna show like this. But then I currently have a plan running which is monthly plan. But then on your own, if you don't have any plan created already, so all you just have to be saying is just create target. So what does it mean by creating a target? So let's say for example you want to do a wedding, or you want to buy a car at the end of the year. So now let's say it's 2024, right? So at the end of the year, which is December, you want to buy a car, and that car actually worth uh 2 million, for example, and you are currently in July. So this is July. Today is July 1st, 2024. So I think we have from now to December, and we want to achieve 2 million naira to be saved. So let me open my calculator right here. I'm sorry, I'm using my other phone. So you have to, I think that's this is seventh month, right? Or eighth month, I guess. I don't really remember. Is it 8 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Is it 8 months? Like seriously, January, February, March, April, May. Sorry, I'm confused. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, this is seventh month, right? So we have 5 months left out of this year. So now 5 months, you have to divide 2 million within 5 months. So 2 million divided by 5, 2 million divided by 5, divided by 5, that's 400,000. So you have to be saving 400,000 every month to reach your target savings, right? So let me use my monthly save right here. So my current saving right here is 400, which is I'm gonna be, I actually want to reach this target by the end of the year, which is December. So they said I have to be saving 57,142 naira 82 cents, so that I'll be able to reach my target, which is 400,000. So I have to be saving 57,000 every month to reach out my target. So that is how you can that's how target savings work. So you can automate the savings so that they'll be deducting the money from your account directly. So let's say you create a target now, then on the amount you are actually aiming for is 2 million, for example, right? This is 2 million. Then name the savings for car, right? So then select category. So it's optional for business. You can see travel, others, accommodation, appliances, emergency, travel. So just select anyone that resonates. So I'm gonna click on order, then start date. You can select when you actually want the thing to start. So let's say today. So today is 1/7/2024. Then the payback date, let's say 12 1, for example. Okay, 12/1. If you choose 12/1, then the saving might not might actually be higher than 400,000. So let's scroll down. So we have 153 days to meet up the target. So saving frequency, so you can choose how you want to be saving. So let's say monthly. Monthly is fine. Day of the month, when you actually want the savings to be starting. So let's say third, for example. Then select a time, what time you actually want the money to be deducted from your account. So let's say 8 a.m. for example. Then click on next. Right, so prefer amount to be saving monthly. So disable interest on your savings. I don't want to disable interest. I have to end my interest because you guys will be using my money to start to do business. So preferred, if I preferred 400,000, then I'm not sure if I'll be able to reach out to my targets. But let's say 400,000 for example. Then click on next. Okay, 400,000. That's works. I think my calculation actually works. So I have to be saving 400,000 to meet 2 million targets. Right. So you can see it really work. So before you save this money, you have to make sure you'll be able to meet up and you won't break it, because if you break, there will be a charge for you. Once they charge you, the money will spoil, something like that. So you have to make sure you are saving, you put in the price or the amount that you believe that you'll be able to meet up. Then once you are okay with it, just click on agree, then click on create target. Then that is how you can create a target savings on Opay without any issue.